Tips to detoxify and restore the liver after drinking alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol over a long period of time will cause your health to decline due to exceeding the liver's metabolic capacity, thereby damaging liver cells, leading to fatty liver, hepatitis, cirrhosis, decompensated cirrhosis, and liver cancer. The following methods can help detoxify and restore the liver after drinking alcohol. Alcohol affects each person in different ways. Depending on the constitution and physical condition of each person, the amount of alcohol consumed will make them drunk quickly or slowly. People who are drunk have different symptoms, the most common of which are loss of concentration, headache, dizziness, fatigue, drowsiness, easily anxious, emotional, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, digestive disorders, faster heart rate, even trembling, cardiac arrest. After drinking a lot of alcohol, the liver is easily damaged, so it is necessary to change your lifestyle, activities, and eat healthily to help keep the liver healthy. To restore the liver, you need to pay attention to the following. Supplement water every day. Drinking filtered water is the simplest way to restore the liver. Drinking a lot of water is very beneficial for the metabolism and detoxification of the liver. We can combine a slice of lemon with warm water every time we drink. This is very effective in soothing the symptoms of inflammation. At the same time, hot water also produces capsaicin, which helps increase blood flow to the liver. In addition to filtered water, some types of water help detoxify and restore the liver very well, specifically, coconut water. Coconut water is a natural drink that can provide abundant water and minerals to the body, supporting the liver to function more effectively. In addition, coconut water also has mild antibacterial properties, helping to improve metabolism, strengthen the immune system and support the digestive system to function stably. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against certain cancers, including liver cancer. To maximize the amount of catechins, brew your own green tea and drink it hot, as bottled green tea or iced tea often has significantly lower catechins. Carrot juice. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, folic acid, calcium and phosphorus, which help the liver eliminate toxins. Therefore, carrot juice is not only delicious but also provides many important nutrients for the liver and body. Lemon juice. Grapefruit juice. Vitamin C combined with flavonoids in lemons and grapefruits provide effective anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce the risk of liver disease. In addition, lemons are also a rich source of antioxidants, supporting the production of glutathione, an essential ingredient in detoxifying the body. Drinking 1 to 2 glasses of grapefruit or lemon juice every day is good for detoxifying and restoring liver function. However, do not drink too much. Drinking on an empty stomach can cause side effects, such as stomach irritation or tooth enamel erosion. Eat enough fiber. Supplement green vegetables, fruits, and tubers. Fiber brings many great health benefits to people with damaged livers. Eating a lot of fiber helps the body feel full longer, thereby helping to consume fewer calories, reducing the burden of nutrient metabolism on the liver. Eating a lot of fiber also helps nourish the beneficial intestinal bacteria, which has been shown to reduce the development of inflammation and liver damage. Thanks to fiber, the body limits fat absorption. Therefore, eating a lot of fiber helps prevent and treat fatty liver diseases more effectively, especially fiber from green vegetables, ripe fruits, grains, nuts, and beans. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is a healthy form of physical activity, helping to maintain a balanced figure and strengthen the immune system, thereby naturally cleaning the liver. Exercise combined with a scientific diet helps increase metabolism, burn excess fat, avoid obesity and prevent fatty liver disease. Therefore, we should spend at least 30 minutes a day exercising, 5 to 7 days a week, which is very good for liver recovery. In summary, the liver is a very important organ in the digestive system, performing many essential functions such as supplying blood, producing bile, regulating metabolism, decomposing and eliminating toxins, and storing nutrients and vitamins. After drinking a lot of alcohol, the liver can be damaged. Eating a healthy diet will help the liver recover and detoxify well. Avoid foods that are harmful to the liver, such as fatty foods, soft drinks, and carbonated drinks, which are also bad for the liver.